Okay, so let's extend the congruency with triangles. So triangle is made up of sides and angles. So we have read about the side and angles. So now we will merge that concept for finding the congruence of triangle. So we have to find that two triangles are congruent or not. Means two triangles are same or not. So for finding this, we have some rules that I'll tell you. So first, if I give you a triangle, suppose this is a triangle and this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. A, B, C. Okay. And if I ask you, find construct a triangle or make a triangle which is exactly similar to this. Okay. So I'll give you only one direction. I'll give you the size of only BC. I'll tell you that BC size is 6 centimeter. So you will draw BC as a 6 centimeter, but I won't give you the other details. So will you be able to make this triangle? So यदि मैं सिर्फ एक ही साइड का लेंथ दूं 6 सेंटीमीटर, तो क्या एग्जैक्टली आप इस इंफॉर्मेशन से आप ये ट्रायंगल बना पाएंगे? लाइक इफ मैंने 6 सेंटीमीटर दिया तो एक साइड आपने ये बना दिया, एक साइड आपने ये बना दिया, PQR. बट दिस इज नॉट सिमिलर टू दिस. यदि इन दोनों को एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप करेंगे, सुपरपोज करेंगे, तो एक दूसरे को वो कवर नहीं करेगा. So these two are not congruent. These two triangles are not same. So this information is not sufficient. If I give you one side, then this information is not sufficient at all. Then if I give you the other side also, I will give you that this is other side is 5 centimeter. So suppose I extend this to 5 centimeter and mark this 5 centimeter is here. So this 5 centimeter. Okay. Now if I join this, so again this triangle is not same. By looking this, you can say, or you can just cover one each other and see, and or you can visualize and say that these two triangles are not same. Why? For being same, the angles and side of the triangle should be same. Then these two triangles can be same, right? So this angle, this angle, this angle, all three angles and all three sides should be same. So if this two condition is not satisfying satisfying our rule. So if I give you other side length also, like this is a 4 centimeter. So now you cannot draw this like this. You have to make an arc of 5 centimeter from here and you have to make an arc of 4 centimeter from here. Then you can construct this 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter, right? You must have read in a construction of triangle. Then that will be finite. This will not work. Okay. So you will take an arc of 5 centimeter here. You will take an arc of 5 centimeter here and 4 centimeter here. 4 centimeter here like this. So PQR. Suppose this is a 5 centimeter, this is a 4 centimeter. So we will take an arc and now these two triangles will be completely same. Okay. So side, side and side. So this is called side, side, side properties. So if anyone asks you to make two triangles are congruent, then first condition is they have to provide the length of all three sides. Length of all three sides. SSS property. This is called SSS property. SSS property. Why? Because if the all three sides of a triangle is same to the all three sides of a other triangle, then this will be congruent and that will be equal. If you superpose each other, it will be superposed completely. So this is called SS property. Now, so how will you, there is a very good thing to know that you cannot write directly like this triangle, like triangle BCA is congruent to triangle PQR. So we cannot write this triangle and this triangle in any manner. This sequence is very important. What we are writing BCA and what we are writing PQR, this sequence is very important. How? I'll tell you. So this is SSS property, and if you have to write these two triangles are congruent, then how will you write? Suppose this is A, right? Here we have taken a side. We are not sure about how much the angle is there. Which angle is how much? Okay. But so let's compare with side only. So this is AB. So AB is congruent with what? PR. PR. Then AC is congruent with AC, congruent with PQ, PQ. Then BC congruent with RQ, RQ. So this is congruency of sides. Now let's talk about the vertices. So if we superpose each other, एक दूसरे को ऊपर पे रखेंगे, तो A will be corresponding to P. Okay. B will be corresponding to R. And C will be corresponding to Q. Okay. So here we have found the congruency of these sides. So this we know, right? Now here we have found the congruence of vertices. This is basically talking about the angle. So the angle A and P is same. Angle B and angle R is same. Angle C and angle Q is same. Congruency will happen only the all three sides and all three angles are equal. Okay. But we have different conditions. We don't talk about that all three sides, all angles every time. We don't take all 6 properties to make the condition of congruency. Why? Because we have some rules, like we know that the sum of all 3 angles will be 180 degree only. If we take 2 sides and 1 angle together, the possibility of making a triangle is only one way. So there are many things, right? So by that we have concluded some properties. We don't have to write the combination of A's and AAA, means 3 sides and 3 angles. If you make this combination, these are all 6. So that will be, the number will be very big. Okay. But that we don't require. Why? Because we have concluded few properties, that is enough to say that this triangle is congruent or not. So first property we have taken is property. If I say that all 3 sides are equal of other triangles, then those 2 triangles will be congruent. Okay. So here I have shown you how the sides are congruent to each other. Now this corresponding thing matters a lot. So which A corresponds to P, B corresponds to R, C corresponds to Q. Same thing with a side. If I write this, or if we write the corresponding sides, like AB corresponds to PR, means AB or PR similar hai, same hai. Then BC corresponds to RQ. Then AC corresponds to PQ. Okay. So if someone asks you to write these 2 triangles are congruent or not, first you have to take care of this. First you write the corresponding vertices and corresponding sides. Then you write the triangles, like here I'll write triangle ABC is congruent of triangle A. A corresponds to P, so we will write P. B corresponds to PRQ. So AB and PR, BC and RQ, and AC and PQ. Fine. So B corresponds to R and C corresponds to Q. So we will say that this triangle ABC is congruent of triangle PRQ. PRQ. PQR. If I say PQR, triangle PQR, then that will be wrong. Why? Because this is saying that if I write triangle ABC is congruent of triangle PQR, then this is saying B and Q are equal. So, but B and Q are not equal. B corresponds to R. B and R is equal. Okay. So, this way you can write the congruency. And from here, now, first I have done this, then I have written this. How? By taking the corresponding angles or corresponding vertices. A, P, B, R, C, Q. Now, if I ask you, if I give you, I don't give these details, if I give you these details only, then what conclusion you can find it from this? It will say that A corresponds to P. Means A angle A, if there will be angle A and P, then that will be equal. Or A or P, the vertices A and P will superpose each other. B and R will superpose each other. C and Q will superpose each other. Okay. Or angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle Q. Okay. And what else you can say? Here this AB is equal to PR. The sequence matters. AB, PR. BC is equal to RQ. Then AB, BC. Then AC. AC equal to PQ. AC equal to PQ. So these things you should know. What? First thing, that if two triangles are given, please write the corresponding vertices and corresponding sides. Once you will write the corresponding vertices and corresponding sides, then please write the congruency. Like this triangle is congruent to this triangle, and order and sequence matters here. That is the first thing. Second thing, if this is given, like two triangles are congruent, then what conclusion you can find? You can find this and this conclusion. You can find conclusion about the angle and conclusion about the sides, conclusion about the vertices, that this vertex will overlap this vertex. So we read about the SSS property. What SS property says? That two triangles will be congruent if all three sides of one triangle is same to the all three sides of the other triangle, and the congruency should be written correctly with the corresponding vertices and corresponding sides. You cannot write in any way. Okay. So this was about SSS property. Now let's talk about other properties. We are not talking about AAA. Three triangles we are not talking. Why? Because this is triangle and this is a triangle. Okay. Might be, let's take, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. This is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. But is it, these two triangles are congruent? No. Although these two are two equilateral triangles, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeters. I have taken the example of two equilateral triangle. This has 3 centimeter side, this has 5 centimeter sides. But these two triangles could not be same. So AAA property does not exist. If three angles of a triangle are equal, we cannot say that these two triangles can be congruent. Why? This is the example. And there are many examples like this. I have just taken an equilateral triangle for your better understanding. Okay, so AAA property does not exist for congruency. Then we have SAS property. Okay, like just now we have seen that we have given you three sides to make a correct triangle, to make a similar triangles, right? Now, same example, if there was a like 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter, right? And this inclination. So suppose I have given you 6 centimeter and I have given you 5 centimeter, right? So you made it like this. And you will say that I will join this. So this triangle will be different. If I join this, this triangle will be completely different from this. But if I say you this is a suppose 60 degree and you have to 60 degree take 60 degree only, then what will happen? This inclination will be fixed. This cannot move anywhere else now. This inclination, ये झुकाव जो है, ये झुका हुआ जो है, जो inclined है, that will be fixed now. This will be only 60 degree. So if you take an arc of 5 centimeter with making 60 degree, then there is a no option that you will join now this. And this will give you the similar triangle. Got it? So first we were taking the 3 sides. Then we have taken 2 sides and 1 angle. So if we have taken 2 sides and given you 1 angle also, then you are forced to join this point now. Why? Because you don't have any option, because you will take, if you take 60 degree, this will be only one as a yoga. This is the only option. Okay. So this is a 60 degree, this is a 60 degree. And now you will get a point to join this. Okay. So this is A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay. So A, B, C and P, Q, R. These 2 triangles are congruent now. So the same way you can write this corresponding thing. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R. AB, this can be other side also. AB corresponds to PQ, AC corresponds to PR and BC corresponds to QR. How will you write the congruency? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. So you can say this. So this was SAS property. What is SAS property? If 2 sides and included angle, the angle made by 2 sides, whatever the sides you have given and the included angles are equal to the corresponding triangles, 2 sides and angle, included angle. These angles, we are talking about these 2 sides and included angles. The angle made by those 2 sides are same, then these 2 triangles will be similar, same, and that is called the congruent. These 2 triangles will be same. Okay, and this is called congruency by property SAS. 2 sides and angle. Side, included angle by 2 sides and again a side. So this is called SAS property. These 2 triangles are same by the SAS property. Okay. Now we will take ASA property. ASA property. Okay. So what is this? Angle, side and angle. Okay. So in previously I have given you this sides and this inclination. Then you made the same triangle, right? Okay. Suppose A, B, C. Same. Now what will I give you? I'll give you 2 angles. Suppose this is a 40 degree and this is a 60 degree, and I'll give you this side. So will you be able to make the similar triangles here? So how will you do it? First you take a side of 6 centimeter, suppose PR. Okay, PR. I have taken a side like 6 centimeter PR. This is a 40 degree and 60 degree. So if I'll ask you to mark at 2 triangles, so you will take a 40 degree here or 60 degree arc here, right? Or let's make it 45 degree. So it's easy to construct. 45 degree angle is easy to construct. So from here you will take an arc of 45 degree and from here you will take an arc of 60 degree. So the possibility is only one. Here also only one triangle will be possible. If I give you these 2 angles, यदि मैंने आपको 2 एंगल दे दिया और एक साइड दे दिया, तो क्या पॉसिबल है कि ये आर्क कहीं और पे काटे और ट्रायंगल जो है ऐसे बने या कहीं ट्रायंगल ऐसे बने? इज इट पॉसिबल? नो, भाई बिकॉज यहाँ से जो 45 डिग्री का और जो 60 डिग्री का आर्क होगा वो एक ही पोजीशन पे काटेगा. सो दिस विल ऑल्सो गिव यू यूनिक ट्रायंगल. एक यूनिक ट्रायंगल देगा जो इसके सिमिलर होगा कंप्लीटली, एंड देयर विल बी ओनली वन ट्रायंगल. गॉट इट? सो सपोज I have taken Q. So now these two triangles will be congruent. These two triangles will be completely similar. Now you write the corresponding side. Like A corresponds to what? Let's read about this. B. We know about B. So B corresponds to P. We know about C. C corresponds to R. We know about A. We don't know about A, but we have only one option, A. So A corresponds to Q. If these two angles are equal, other will be how much? 60 degree and 45 degree, 105 degree. So that will be 75 degree. And that will be 75 degree, right? Fine. So this will be same. So A corresponds to Q. Like side also. So first I'll take BC. BC corresponds to PR. Then this side AC corresponds to QR, and this AB corresponds to QP. Okay. Now let's write the triangle congruence. So triangle ABC, if I write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A. A corresponds to Q. B corresponds to P. C corresponds to R. So ABC is congruent to triangle QPR. Okay. QPR. Understood? So this was ASA property. So we read about ASA property, SAS property and